European Aerospace Corporation, Airbus, launched a new project in the early 1990s to develop an ultra-high capacity airliner with more than 500 seats, as well as to challenge the dominance of the Boeing 747. The first prototype made its maiden flight in 2005 and obtained airworthiness certificates in the following year. It was delivered to Singapore Airlines and entered service between Singapore and Sydney in 2007. Until August 2019, 239 units were built and delivered. The Airbus A380 is a double-deck wide-body airliner with a unique full-width upper deck extending the entire length of the passenger cabin. The Airbus A380-800 has 550 square meters of usable floor space, 40% more than the rival Boeing 747-8. This enormous airliner can carry up to 853 passengers in all economy class layout.